My name is Mercy Amankwa, and I am currently a PhD student in applied mathematics at Case Western Reserve University. And I'm very happy I got to attend the SISMID program this year. Particularly, I enjoyed the contact network epidemiology module, which was module 9 in the program. This was because right after this module, I started my summer research with my professors who are actually working on meta-population network models for managing COVID-19. And I got to learn more about different network models and contact tracing and how to incorporate all that in modules. So this made work very easy for me during this summer. And I got a lot of ideas from the program, and which I hope to use in my future research. Thank you so much to MIDAS for organizing this program and giving me this knowledge. I'm very grateful.
Hi, I'm Jun Cai from China. I just obtained my PhD degree in ecology from Department of Earth System Science, Tsinghua University in June. And now I'm a postdoc at the School of Public Health, Fudan University. First of all, I would like to thank MIDAS for supporting me to attend 2020 SISMID. I truly enjoyed the well-organized and pragmatic courses, despite that they were conducted online due to the pandemic. I participated in Modular 7 and 9, from which I have learned a lot. In particular, the lectures on contact network epidemiology helped to enhance my understanding of my postdoc research project. In this project, I will develop an individual-based model, integrating contact network and epidemic model to assess the effects of non-pharmaceutical interventions on the transmission dynamics of COVID-19 in China. It has been a great pleasure attending the courses. I look forward to attending SISMID again and to meeting the fantastic speakers and the MIDAS members in person in the future. Thank you.
My name is Trevor Farthing. I'm a PhD candidate at North Carolina State University. And with MIDAS support, I was able to attend the contact network epidemiology and statistics and modeling with novel data streams, SISMID modules. There were two especially helpful things that I learned from them. First, the former provided an opportunity to learn Python coding. I normally code in R and had been meaning to learn Python for quite a while. And this was a great excuse to do so. And secondly, I was introduced to the GleamViz software, which seems like an incredible tool for modeling global pathogen transmission dynamics. And I really, really thought that was a cool thing. So yeah, thank you very much for this opportunity.
Hello, I'm Jordan Johnson, and I'm a doctoral student in epidemiology at Emory University Rollins School of Public Health. I took the SISMID modules on simulation-based inference and on microbiome analysis. The most helpful thing about participating in SISMID was the opportunity to interact with teachers and researchers on the cutting edge of infectious disease data analysis. They wrote the R packages I will be using in my dissertation research, and having this exposure will be invaluable as I move forward in my doctoral program. I'm really grateful that I got the opportunity to participate in SISMID this year, thanks to the MIDAS consortium.
My name is Maciek Kos. I'm a PhD candidate in personal health informatics at Northeastern University. I don't have any formal training in epidemiology, so I attended SISMID to gain some exposure to modeling and simulation approaches in this field. Thanks to SISMID, I can now effectively apply methods such as, for example, MCMC, to my work on modeling the spread of SARS-CoV-2 using large-scale mobility data.
Hi, my name is Quentin Leclerc. I'm a PhD student at the London School of Hygiene and Tropical Medicine. So what I enjoyed the most about SISMID Online this year was my second module, infectious diseases, immunology, and within-host models. So in my PhD, I work on linking microbiology and modeling to study bacteria dynamics. So it's a similar idea. So this particular SISMID module was extremely helpful to make me think about how to clearly communicate the results from my interdisciplinary work to both sides. So that is to people more familiar with lab work and to people more familiar with modeling. So I'll definitely try to apply the ideas discussed in that module to my PhD going forward, notably around converting key microscopic dynamics into equations and then presenting these clearly and intuitively. So overall, this was a very enjoyable experience, and I'm glad I had the opportunity to attend SISMID this year.
Hi, my name is Samantha Malatesta, and I'm currently a PhD student at Boston University's School of Public Health and Biostatistics. This year was my first year attending SISMID, and I'm so glad that I did. My current research group is soon starting a study using a network-based sampling method, and so it was very helpful for me to participate in the contact network module to get a better understanding of how networks work, and going forward, this will really help me do better in my research and have a greater understanding of the background of what we're doing.
Hi, my name is Savannah Curtis, and I'm a biomathematics PhD student at North Carolina State University. I work with Dr. Christina Lanzis on modeling healthcare-associated infections using stochastic network models. The most exciting thing I discovered at SISMID this year was an R package specifically designed to estimate parameters for complex stochastic simulation models like the one I'm working on. I'm looking forward to using the POMP package to fit our model and eventually be able to inform healthcare workers of potential control mechanisms to prevent future infections. Thank you, MIDAS, for affording me this opportunity.
I'm Campo, and I am an MPH student at the University of California, Berkeley. This year, I was able to attend 2 of the modules at the SISMID conference. I took one on probability and statistical inference and another on immunological modeling. I think the most valuable thing that I took away was solidifying my foundation in statistical inference and being able to incorporate unique analyses into my own research. And from the modeling module, I think I was just really inspired to create a model for my system, and knowing how to do that and using the infrastructure that was provided was extremely helpful.